when I say that this double blueberry pie is the laziest and easiest pie you will ever make in your whole life, I'm not kidding around. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Janelle and I make vegan recipes that are easy, affordable, and delicious, and they're always gluten-free. So if you clicked on this video, that probably means that you're looking for a blueberry pie recipe. Well, if you've got a boatload of fresh blueberries on hand, just like I did a few days ago, then you're gonna wanna make this double blueberry pie. So there's a pretty basic and simple formula for making pie, and then there's the really lazy way to make pie. The simple and straightforward way is, make your own pie crust from scratch, maybe make your own filling, your own jam, whatever it is you like to put in your pie, or you could do it my way with just 4 ingredients that you can pick up at your grocery store for dirt cheap. I'm talking a frozen pie crust, a jar of blueberry jam, your fresh blueberries, and a pinch of cinnamon. Easy peasy. Oh, and the best part is that you don't even have to cook your pie filling. What? Yeah, keep watching and find out what I mean. Pre-bake a homemade or store-bought pie shell and let it cool. Then in a microwavable dish, combine your blueberry jam and cinnamon. Microwave that on high until the mixture liquefies, about 1 minute. Stir in your fresh blueberries. Spoon the blueberry mixture into your prepared pie shell and chill in your fridge for a few hours. Serve with your favorite non-dairy whipped cream or vanilla ice cream and enjoy! Well, if that is not the easiest pie recipe you've ever seen in your whole life, I don't know what to say. It is so good. It is so good, and you just have to try it. The warmth of the jam softens the berries up just the right amount so they're still kind of firm and juicy, but they're sweet, and it kind of has this glaze over it, and it's so fresh, and it's like, ugh, I don't even have the words for it. It's incredible. It's so stupid easy that it just doesn't seem right, but it's so right. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I've got more delicious recipes coming your way always. If you haven't already, check out my blueberry muffins video that just posted, and let me know if there are any other summertime berry recipes that you want me to make. Thanks again for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a smashing day. See you in the next one.